What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So it's getting hot in Utando Tembo, and Macele felt that she had to question Mseleku and say that now that you've taken this young wife, are you going to be able to keep up with all of these wives? Because if there is something that Macele does not want, is to see Mseleku coming to her house all tired and exhausted because she now has five wives, and amongst those five wives, there is this young wife, Samke, who has been added to the list. So Macele was actually giving Seleku advice and saying, you better exercise and be fit because what you have gotten yourself into is a lot, and you have to be prepared for all of this. And it actually makes sense because it is Mseleko's duty and role to actually satisfy all of his five wives. And to be able to do that, he has to make sure that he is exercising fit and actually healthy. Because one of the things that actually causes infidelity in relationships, it's when the man is actually failing like to satisfy his girlfriend or his wives. So Macele is actually being proactive here and actually warning Mseleko about what is coming ahead. And Mseleko felt that striking him. This was more of like a personal attack on him, and he wanted to go at Macele and saying, no, I'm going to punish you for that, but there's no need for that, and there's no need for Mseleko to actually take this personally, because this is actually good advice to him